Welcome to the world of Google Ads USA. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of Google Ads and how it can transform your business in the USA. Did you know that Google processes over 3.5 billion searches every day? That's a staggering amount of data and opportunity for businesses to reach their target audience. And with Google Ads, you have the power to put your brand at the forefront of those searches, driving traffic and sales like never before. Why Google Ads is a must-have for your business. Google Ads is an incredibly powerful tool for businesses in the USA. With over 246 million unique visitors per day, Google is the most popular search engine in the world. By advertising on Google, you can reach a massive audience and drive more traffic to your website. But it's not just about getting more traffic. Google Ads allows you to target specific keywords and demographics, so you can ensure that your ads are seen by the right people. This means that you can generate high-quality leads and increase your conversion rates, ultimately leading to more sales and revenue for your business. Understanding the Google Ads auction system. Google Ads operates on an auction system where advertisers bid on keywords that are relevant to their business. When a user searches for those keywords, Google will display the ads with the highest bids in the most prominent positions on the search results page. The cost of each ad is determined by a combination of the advertiser's bid and the quality score of their ad. Quality score is based on factors such as relevance, click-through rate, and landing page experience. Advertisers with higher quality scores can achieve better ad positions at lower costs. Creating effective Google Ads campaigns. When creating effective Google Ads campaigns, it's important to start with a clear goal in mind. This could be anything from increasing website traffic to generating leads or sales. Once you have a clear goal, you can tailor your ads and targeting to achieve that goal. Another key factor in creating effective Google Ads campaigns is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their pain points and motivations? By understanding your audience, you can create ads that resonate with them and drive action. Targeting the right audience with Google Ads. Targeting the right audience is crucial for the success of your Google Ads campaigns. By showing your ads to people who are most likely to be interested in your product or service, you can increase the chances of them clicking on your ad and ultimately converting into a customer. One way to target the right audience is to use demographic targeting. This allows you to show your ads to people based on factors such as age, gender, income, and education level. You can also use geographic targeting to show your ads only to people in specific locations, which can be especially useful for businesses that operate in a particular area. Measuring the success of your Google Ads campaigns. One of the most important aspects of running successful Google Ads campaigns is measuring their success. By tracking key metrics like click-through rate, conversion rate, and cost per conversion, you can gain valuable insights into how your campaigns are performing and make data-driven decisions to optimize them for better results. Measuring the success of your Google Ads campaigns is also crucial for maximizing your return on investment. By identifying which ads and keywords are driving the most conversions at the lowest cost, you can allocate your budget more effectively and achieve a higher ROI overall. Advanced Google Ads strategies and tactics. One advanced strategy for optimizing Google Ads campaigns is to use negative keywords. Negative keywords are keywords that you don't want your ads to show up for. By adding negative keywords to your campaign, you can ensure that your ads only show up for relevant searches, which can improve your click-through rate and conversion rate. Another advanced tactic is to use ad extensions. Ad extensions are additional pieces of information that can be added to your ads, such as phone numbers, location information, and links to specific pages on your website. By using ad extensions, you can provide more information to potential customers and make your ads more compelling. Avoiding common Google Ads mistakes. One of the most common mistakes businesses make when using Google Ads is not targeting their ads effectively. It's important to understand your target audience and use relevant keywords and ad copy to reach them. Avoid broad targeting and generic messaging, as this can lead to wasted ad spend and poor performance. Another common mistake is not tracking and analyzing your campaign data. Without proper measurement and analysis, it's impossible to know what's working and what's not. Make sure to set up conversion tracking and regularly review your data to identify areas for improvement. Maximizing your ROI with Google Ads. To maximize your return on investment with Google Ads, it's important to focus on the metrics that matter most. One of the most important metrics to track is your conversion rate, which measures the percentage of clicks on your ads that result in a desired action, such as a purchase or sign-up. By optimizing your campaigns to improve your conversion rate, you can increase your ROI and get more value from your ad spend. Another key factor in maximizing your ROI with Google Ads is targeting the right audience. By using tools like demographic targeting and remarketing, you can ensure that your ads are reaching the people who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. This can help you get more conversions for less money, ultimately leading to a higher ROI. Conclusion: why Google Ads is the future of advertising. In conclusion, Google Ads is a must-have for any business looking to succeed in today's digital age. With its powerful targeting capabilities, advanced auction system, and ability to measure success, Google Ads provides unparalleled value to businesses of all sizes. By investing in Google Ads, businesses can reach their target audience with precision and maximize their return on investment. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your campaigns to the next level, Google Ads has the tools and strategies you need to succeed.